What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, we're not in the garage today. That's because this event actually happened yesterday. Now I'm considering this the first official shakedown of this car, mainly because I drove 50 minutes to the event and obviously drove 50 minutes back. And I also get a chance to run this thing back to back. Alright, so let's go over the digs, which I actually botched twice. So I definitely need some seat time on this car, but also I think I might be running into an issue with the transmission because now it's locking me out when I'm doing a quick shift. So what that means is I'm actually dialing back my no-lift shifts to something a little bit more slower, and hopefully that doesn't mess up my boost building. And also John went out there, so John is the guy with the white S4. And check this out, guys. Now this truck makes 900 plus. Alright, this next one is a Mustang, makes about 800 or so, or at least that's what the owner is going with. Now I do think that he makes a little bit more because check this out. Now I did give him the hit, but regardless, he pulled really well. Now this next one is just for fun. The owner was just like, hey, I already know the outcome, but you know what, if you want to run, let's go ahead. So just a really super chill owner. Now if I remember right, the car should be around 500 or so. Well, he's not really sure. It is Whipple on a conservative tune, so whatever that means.